Welcome to English Practice Class.
No fear. Just start.
Open. I open the window every morning for fresh air. I open the window to let fresh air into my room. Close. Please close the door before you leave. Always close the door quietly when you go out. Hold. She holds her mother's hand while crossing the road. The little girl holds her mother's hand at the crosswalk. Push. Please push the door gently to open it. I push the door slowly before entering the room. Pull. He pulls the chair closer to the table. She pulls the chair out before sitting down. Catch. The boy catches the ball with both hands. He catches the ball before it touches the ground. Throw. She throws the ball to her friend in the park. The girl throws the ball gently to her brother. Pick. I pick up my keys before leaving the house. She picks up her keys from the table before going out. Cut. My father cuts fresh vegetables for dinner. He cuts the vegetables into small pieces before cooking. Climb. The children climb the stairs carefully every day. The kids climb the stairs one step at a time. Buy. I buy fresh vegetables from the local market. We buy groceries every Saturday. Choose. She chooses a blue dress for the party. I choose healthy food whenever possible. Pay. I pay with my card at the supermarket. He pays the bill before leaving the restaurant. Order. We order food online when we feel tired. I order a pizza for dinner on weekends. Compare. Always compare prices before buying expensive things. We compare different products before shopping. Clean. I clean my room every Saturday morning. She cleans the kitchen after dinner. Sweep. She sweeps the floor before breakfast every day. I sweep the living room every morning. Mop. We mop the kitchen floor after dinner. She mops the floor every evening. Organize. I organize my books on the shelf carefully. He organizes his desk before studying. Fold. He folds his clothes before putting them away. I fold the towels after washing them. Watch. We watch a movie together on Friday night. I watch English videos every evening. Listen. I listen to music while relaxing at home. She listens to English podcasts every morning. Play. The children play outside after finishing their homework. My brother plays football every Sunday. Paint. She paints beautiful pictures during her free time. The children paint colorful drawings at school. Relax. I relax in the garden after a busy day. She relaxes on the sofa after work. Finish. I finish my work before going to bed. He finishes his homework before dinner. Charge. I charge my phone every night before sleeping. She charges her laptop before bedtime. Set. I set my alarm for 6 every morning. He sets the alarm before going to sleep. Sleep. The baby sleeps peacefully throughout the night. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Dream. I dream about traveling to new places someday. She dreams of becoming a doctor one day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep practicing daily, speak without fear, and watch our previous and latest videos for better English practice.